Hello guys, welcome to Cratcode in the second tutorial. In this video, we'll be talking about a basic HTML document, and the explanation of the tags will be given properly so that it will be better for you to understand every tags and implement them in the later. Now, to write a HTML document, we need a text editor. I prefer Sublime Text Editor. You can just go to Google and search for Sublime Text and download it from their official website. After downloading, open Sublime Text, and this is the thing I created earlier, so I'm just deleting it. Okay, now go to File, open a new file. I will save it on my desktop, and the file name will be index.html. Why the .html thing? Because we are writing an HTML document, so the extension must be HTML or HTM. You can use either any of those. Okay, now it is predefined in the Sublime Text Editor that when you type HTML and press enter, the basic format comes. Since we have the basic format, let me explain about the tags. The doc-type HTML tells the browser about the version of the HTML document. Here, the doc-type HTML states that it is a HTML5 document. Then we have the HTML tag. The HTML tag is a root of all elements that will be used in the HTML document except the doc-type HTML tag. It is like a container that contains all other tags. Then we have the header tag or the head tag. A head tag is used to display the things that will be displayed on the title bar. It contains meta informations. So we have the title tag here that will be shown in our title bar. Then we have the body tag here. The body tag is the most important part because everything that will be displayed on the web page will be inside the body tag. Now, since we know about these tags, let us write in the title Cratcode, and in the body tag let us create two things. Let us create a header. Okay, so there are 6 total heading tags, h1 to h6. The h1 is the biggest and the h6 is the smallest. We'll talk about the header tags later on. So the first is if we write in the first header tag, the text will be bigger. Let's write welcome to Cratcode. Okay, then if we write, now let us write some lines. To write some lines, we have to use the paragraph tab that can be achieved using the letter P. Let's write learn HTML with us. Now if I just save it by pressing Ctrl S and go to this file that we created earlier and open it, we can see, yes, this is our code. This is the first HTML document we created. So stay tuned with us. On the next video we'll go through more stuffs, and the videos will be a little bit longer from the next videos. So stay tuned with Cratcode family. Hope you learn HTML properly and create a wonderful website. Thank you. Goodbye.